Hey guys, welcome back. So this is Kelvin here again. So by now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you in the name of God. Okay, Midi Nyankupo, be begging you. I'm begging you with please. All I'm trying to say is that I'm begging you in the name of God. Click on the subscribe button and then subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Okay, let me know what I am doing, if it is helping you or not. Okay, all right, so let's dive in. So in this video, last time I forgot to introduce you guys to something. Hold on, I'm coming. My screen recorder is here. I don't know why. Okay, so so the every website dashboard have what we call user profile, right? So you have your dashboard over here. This is your dashboard, right? And you have your dashboard over here. You have your post and blah blah blah. You've discussed this already. So but then I didn't show you this. The admin, you are an admin. Edit profile. Okay, so if you want to edit your profile, put your picture over there, you just click on this link over here. Then you can change your theme color. Okay, so the theme color you can change it. So let's just say if I click on light, you see that it has changed. Model, it has changed. The accent color will also change, and everything change. Yeah, I prefer this color most of the times. Okay, but then let's go with the default. Then you see you can change your name, your profile picture over here, and you can also set a new password. Okay, account management, new password, you can change it and then click on update to update your profile. Also, if you want to change the site's settings, for example, I want to change the site name. Okay, there are two ways you can go about that. You can come to settings over here, general. Yeah, so this is the site name, site title. I can change it over there in the site tagging. I can add a tagline to the site over here, and then the address. I can add address and then site URL. I can add it over here, and then the admin address over here. And then if someone subscribe to my website, what should be the role I will give to the person? It should be subscriber. Okay, and then I can also change the language over here. If you are a French and you are watching my video and you are a Frenchman, right, and you want to change your site what's the name, site language, you can easily come here, click on, you go to your profile, you come to settings, general, and then you look for the language over here. So let's see, here is French, Francais. Yeah, Francais do Canada. My favorite country is Canada, so let's choose Canada, and then you click on save changes. So you can change the language over here to French. It's still loading. Yeah, so you see that the language has changed, everything over here has changed to French, right? So you can, let me change it back to English, okay, because I'm not a Frenchman and I can't read French, except my sister, my beautiful sister over here. Okay, so that has changed. So now let's start. Okay, so in building the site, a website like this one, right, we are going to build a header. So let me introduce you to parts of website. Okay, so let's do that in the next video. Okay, let's do that in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay.